Hello everyone, my name is Umar Ahmad and today we will be creating a energy orb effect in our religion using Niagara system and materials instance. First we will starting to the material preview. We will create a new material. Just I like create a coil ball. We will create a sample texture like this and add the panel node for the speed of animations of the x and y. Create a two values of x and y and add append to add two values to the speed. Then add a texture node coordinate to for tilings and multiply the texture coordinate to a second texture sample with same details with copy of both these. Then I will create a color because this is the basic shape of the texture. I need a color, so I will add a particular color and a 3D vector colors. Then multiply of this, then again add a particular color and outside ball color. With I will cut this two-sided because it can help for the both of either on the outer side. We'll add the material preview. We will add the material to the color and connect to the emissive color and opacity mask for this like look. We'll create a Niagara system. I will create this. Let's check this. What will specify I choose things. This is the our outer lines. We will add a spawn burst of 1. We will add initialized particles of uniform size 12. Mesh rotation force for is this because the mesh render that are reason I will mesh rotation force and mesh render to the color of our particles material. Then I will add a sprite render of an electric spark. In the material preview, we will add a sprite render of electric spark with a black texture like this. Um, like this. This is the electric spark texture. We will add a same process from the then we will add this to the time because it can back to the times. That's the reason we will add the time, the texture sample, that time, then we will animate a some time maybe less or multiply this to a sign. Sign can help for to create a texture backward and texture symptom, the texture mix-ups. Then we add up and we apply power of the smart minus to the radius for increase the black backgrounds. And then we will add a particle color, multiply this and immersive color and opacity. Okay. Then we will create a then we will create a inner office wall. We will same as like previous the outer wall, where we will change this to the scale colors, solve loss velocity, mesh rotation, particles same kills particles, initialize particles with color change to give the contrast. Then we will add a main trails ribbon trails. Here we will create a texture of this ribbon. We create a ball inner to the ribbon trails. Let me check that. Yes, we have a ribbon trail. That trail this will look like. It will create by the initialized particle a ribbon spawn plus 1 emitter state system and velocity from point. Because we will create a side of its point that we use this. Solve velocity particle say ribbon vendor. Ribbon vendor can inject the same same material or ball inner. Then we will duplicate this and we will add one thing in the scale ribbon width. Scale ribbon width can increase the ribbon width size. And same the process, and here is my the final outcome of this project. You see this very spiky ball of Street Fighter or some VFX games like